Poco is an American country rock band originally formed in 1968 after the demise of Buffalo Springfield. Guitarists Richie, Furay and Jim Messina, former members of Buffalo Springfield, were joined by multi-instrumentalist Rusty Young, bassist Randy Meisner, and drummer George Grantham. Meisner quit the band during the recording process for the first album, Pickin Up the Pieces, though his bass and backing vocal parts were kept in the final mix. He was replaced by Timothy B. Schmit in 1969, and Messina left in 1970 to be replaced by Paul Cotton. The lineup would change numerous times over the next several decades, with Rusty Young being the only constant member. A reunion of the founding members occurred in the late 1980s, early 1990s, and the band has continued in some form through the present day, though they retired from active touring in 2013, with Young citing health concerns as the primary cause of his retirement. He died from a heart attack in April 2021. To date, the band has released 19 studio albums, the most successful of which was 1978's Legend, which featured the Billboard Hot 100 number 17 and adult contemporary number 1 hit Crazy Love. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.